Welcome back, now news from sports. Churchill brothers defeated Prague United in a high-scoring encounter. A brace by Beto powered Churchill to a 5-2 win. Henri Anchouet and Lal Randika Tralte were the other scorers for Churchill brothers at Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Fatorda. Meanwhile, over at Kolkata, Dempo salvaged a point against McDowell's Mohan Bagan after taking the lead initially. However, the draw does not disturb Dempo, who are perched on top of the standings. Churchill's win takes them to 6th position with a game in hand, but a win would spring them to joint second in the standings.
Number 9.
And if you can ask me, the turning point is the third goal before a whistle of the first half. That's the turning point, I think. If you go 2-1 in the dressing room, then it is much better. But when you concede just last second of the first half, then it is very difficult to come back.
You mean to say this is the worst performance?
Yes, this is our worst performance, the I-League.
Like I said before, we need to win all the match. We need to win Wednesday, and after that Dempo and Pune. It's not easy for us, but not easy for Dempo, for Mohan Bagan, for East Bengal too. No? We cannot think now draw or lose. Draw looks like lose for us.
Any pressure from management to win all the matches? Is there any pressure? Is there on you?
Pressure, yeah, all the time. We need to win it. Yeah.
Management.
Yeah, all the time. This is normal. No?
All the time they tell you.
All the time we needed to win. It's not different.
They are saying if they want a title. They are saying.
Yeah, like me. I want. Yeah.
A reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
Salgaonkar Sports Club scored a resounding victory over GCA Academy Stars by an innings and 34 runs in their second match of Goa Professional League 3 days. Resuming at 20 for 2, GCA Academy Stars were dismissed for 159 in 66 overs to hand the match to Salgaonkar. Over at the Academy grounds in Porvorim, responding to NRB Goa Sports Academy's 282 in the first innings, Sarvodaya Royals scored 356 runs to get first innings lead. The match ended in a draw, but Sarvodaya walked away with 3 points owing to a better first innings total. Salgaonkar Sports Club thrashed GCA Academy Stars by an innings and 34 runs in the Goa Professional League 3 days tournament. GCA started the day hoping to clear off a 193 run deficit, but they could not match their first innings score and lost 8 wickets on third day's play to succumb to Salgaonkar. GCA were dismissed for 159 in 66 overs. Badal Singh claimed 4 wickets for 46, while Sahil Dhuri and Sherman Vaz picked up 2 wickets each. Meanwhile, at the Academy grounds in Porvorim, match between Sarvodaya Royals and NRB Goa Sports Academy ended in a draw, but Sarvodaya gained the crucial first innings lead. Responding to NRB GCA's total of 282 in the first innings, Sarvodaya ended up with a massive tally of 356 runs. Here are a few highlights of the NRB GCA's second innings. our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Prajot Pednekar. Today is 1st of April, and for many the day is celebrated as April Fool's Day. The day is marked by cracking jokes and playing foolish pranks. Different attempts are being made to fool loved ones. It is more common amongst friends and office colleagues. Prudent Media captured some moments played at Bori by Sudan Sheth and his friends. Have a hearty laugh, but be careful when you fool someone. Have a look and have fun.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get latest news as and when they happen. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.